Okay, so weight is basically the thickness of your font. If you want to make this text layer more thick, right, you want to make it bold, all you have to do is just go to regular right here, or like whatever the font weight is, and just switch it to bold or whatever. So regular should be 400 font weight. I'm not sure what it is. It's probably not pixels. Thickness, I don't know. 500 is medium. I mean, they go by hundreds, right? 600 should be semi-bold. 700 should be bold. But let's assume you don't want it to be like these fixed numbers. You want it to be like 450 for some reason. To do that, you have, I mean, you can go in two different places, but it's the same result. You can either go right here on type settings and then variable, and then you can adjust, right, your weight. You can add fixed numbers, whatever you want. Or the second way to do it is, so we were supposed to be like this, or like regular, whatever. You go on the font weight on, and at the bottom it should be variable font access, and the weight should be on the bottom. There should be a slider, and like I said, just adjust the slider, and or you can just add the value in this input box right here, and that's how you change the font weight to a specific value in Figma at the moment, at least, I guess.